Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with all of you tense number 1 present and definite tense. So let's get started. The present and definite tense, also known as the present simple, is a verb form that indicates an action that it's mean present and definite tense shows the following actions. Number first action that present and definite tense show happens regularly or habitually. Second, it's true. It's true in general. Number third happens at an unspecified time. At unspecified time. In this tense, we use it's a formed using the base form of the verb with the following exception. We use the following exception in this tense present and definite tense or simple present tense. Third person singular. For example, he, she, it, takes, is, or es. It means we will write with he, she, it, es, or is. Next we have verbs ending. The verb form will finish if the verb form finish the following words like this: n, s, double s, sh, ch, x, or o at es. Then we will, if the verb form finish the following words, so then we will write a. It means we will add es. Verbs ending and a consonant plus y change to the y to ies. It means y will change to. It means those sentence or that sentence which end on y. So then we will start the plural of that sentence. It's mean y will change to ies at the end of a sentence. As you know that which sentence finish on y, so then we will put has its plural at the end of. We will, instead of y we will write ies. We will write instead of y ies. For examples, I write letters to my friends. Here is not present those in those words any word that we put es instead of that. I write letters to my friends. Habitually action. Habitual action. Unite, it show habitually. She lives in Paris. It show general truth. It shows general truth. They play soccer every weekend. It's unspecific time date. Last time they play soccer every week. It's mean they play soccer or not. It's unspecific time. We don't know about exact time, so this is unspecified time. And this tense we use unspecified time. We will not know about this tense that it's not specified, but it's unspecified. They play soccer every weekend. You know it, weekend is not specific time, it's unspecific time. Now we have the present and definite tense is used. How we use habits and routines. Habits and routine. General truths and facts. Truths and facts you can say. Universal truths. It shows universal truths also. Schedule and timetables. Next we have actions that happen at an unspecified time. Present and definite tense definitions we have. So present and definite tense we used to describe actions that are not bound by a specific time frame but rather happen in a general sense. But I will share another definition that it shows an action. I think it looks like a little tough, but if you learn it, it would be better for you. So I will share. It shows an action that happen habitually again and again every day. And also general fact, you can say that. So it's mean the action is happen, but the time is unspecified here. So you can use present and definite tense. As I told you that it will help you to improve your present tense all, but this is the best option to write your own notebook